former President Estrada, Chancellor Abulto, Dean Gloriani, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this symposium organized by the College of Arts and Sciences and the College of Public Health with the full support of the Office of the Chancellor. This activity is an offshoot of various discussions of the UP Manila Good Neighbors Initiative, or GNI, headed by Dean Gloriani of the College of Public Health, with the Department of Social Sciences and the Manila Studies Program of the College of Arts and Sciences to address concerns on security, sanitation, traffic obstruction in the vicinity of UP Manila. We came to a realization that these concerns can only be addressed with the full support of the local government of Manila. Thus, this symposium is an opportunity for us to listen to the candidates for mayor of the city of Manila as they state their mission and vision, especially for our district, the Manila's University and Tourist Belt. This is also a chance for us to express our concerns and highlight the advocacies that we have been working together for them to act upon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dean Gonzaga.
Maraming salamat, Dean. O, yun naman pala. Kaya pala natin na ginagawa ang okasyon ito ay para sa malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga solusyon at karagdagang solusyon para sa ng basura, sa cleanliness, sa security. Mukhang marami tayong mapupulot dito.
True. And the UP community, the whole UP community, is known to be critical. They are critical thinkers, and this is but a good venue. This is the best venue to engage in local politics. So now, before anything else, of course, we would like to acknowledge Dr. Jubert Benedicto, the Special Assistant to the Chancellor. And kanina sa opening remarks po ni Dean Gonzaga, nabanggit niya po yung GNI, which stands for Good Neighbors Initiative. So what is GNI? To give us a brief overview of Good Neighbors Initiative, may we request Dean Nina Gloriani on stage.
Magandang hapon po, Mayor Lim, former President Estrada, and our Chancellor. At sa lahat ng ating mga kapanalig sa GNI, mga partners din sa Academe, ang task ko po ay bigyan ng overview kayo ng kung ano ang GNI. Ang GNI po ay stand for Good Neighbors Initiative. So, this is an overview na ilang slides lang po. So, paano ba to? Pwede bang kayo na lang mag-ano dyan? O mahirap? Okay. So, what is GNI? GNI is a community of workplace, neighbors of government offices. So marami po ngayon nandito from government offices, schools, banks, and private establishments, including barangays with jurisdiction over Taft Avenue, Faura, and Pedro Hill Streets. It was first established in 2003 by the then UP Manila Chancellor, Dr. Marita Reyes. And the first official meeting was held in 2004. Okay. From an initial 25 members, ngayon po ay more than 50 na ang members ng GNI. So, nakalista po dyan. Papakita ko na lang po yung mga pictures nila. Sorry, na mali yata. Baliktad. Sorry ha. Ito po yung mga barangay. Kung nandito po yung mga taga-barangay na yan, baka ma-recognize po natin sila. Si Barangay Captain Arnold Chalan po ang nahuli namin. Nakuha namin ng picture. Sorry po. Yung iba ay makukunan din namin. Ito po ay ang mga universities. Ilan lang po sa kanila. PWU, Philippine Christian University, Manila Science High School, Ellinwood, UP Manila po syempre, at St. Paul's University. Ito ngayon po ay sa gobyerno. Nakalagay po dito, linisin at ikarangalang Maynila. Hindi po ako wala po kaming pinapanigan, pero ipinapaalala lang po namin na ito yung gusto nating mangyari sa Maynila, na malinis ito at ating ikararangal. So meron pa po tayo dyan yung mga offices ng City Mayor's Office, City Engineer's Office, pati po yung Hawkers Bureau. Ito naman po ay ang ating Supreme Court, Department of Justice, at ang Court of Appeals. Nandito lang po yan sila sa ating kapaligiran. Ang National Bureau of Investigation, ang NMDA, at mayroon pa po yung Manila Traffic Bureau, at ang Barangay Bureau po. So, bukod dyan, ang pinakamalaking mall sa ating kapaligiran, ang Robinsons Mall, pero meron pa rin pong mga iba pa na maliliit, hindi ko na po makita. Girl Scouts of the Philippines, nandyan lang po sa tabi natin. So ano po ang layunin ng GNI? It is for members to work together for the common good of its respective institutions, to promote the safety and well-being of its constituents in a shared environment. So, overall, we want to achieve a clean, orderly, safe, and healthy community. So far, from 2003 po, ito na yung mga nagawa. Linis bayanihan, kasama po ang coastal area cleanup, marami pong lectures for the community on crime prevention in the campus, crime prevention and criminal justice, pati po ang earthquake impact reduction, creative recycling of waste materials, fire drills, at marami pang iba. Pero marami pa rin pong continuing and persistent problems. Kasama po dito ay ang illegal vending, banning of cigarette vendors within, katabi lang po ng University of the Philippines, Manila. Ang dami po nagtitinda ng sigarilyo. Yung pong pabalik-balik na drainage, kaya marami pong flood. Madali lang po mag-flash flood dito sa area natin. Illegal terminals of jeepneys and pedicabs, regular traffic snarls in Padre Faura and Pedro Hill Estates, not to mention, of course, staff. So, there are also many public health issues. Ako po ay galing sa Kolehiyo ng Public Health. So, syempre, ang iniisip po namin talagang marami ay public health issues. Yun nga po, cleanliness, tungkol sa street vending, at bukod po yung eyesores. So, peace and order is paramount. Maybe later, baka sabihin po ng ating Chancellor na kahit ang kanyang anak ay nabiktima ng snatching. So, yung safety po is very important. But we are looking at the political will of city, barangay officials. So this is relatively urgent and should be sustained. So hindi mag-uumpisa lang po ay tapos wala na. So prayers po ang huli kong slide, that for all GNI members to work towards a common goal. Institutions and agencies to commit their manpower and resources and make our community again clean, orderly, beautiful, peaceful, safe. And that for our political leaders to be true to their mandate and finally resolve our issues once and for all. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you so much, Dean Gloriani.
Ayan. UP Manila, ready pa? Okay pa ba kayo? Alam nyo, nung bata-bata ako at hindi pa ako high blood, kapag pumupunta ako sa rally, kapag medyo inaantok na yung tao, may ginagawa ako eh.
Ano yun?
May sinisigaw ako. Tingnan natin kung ganun pa rin ngayon. Iskolar ng bayan! Ngayon ay lumalaban! Well done, UP Manila!
Palakpakan po natin.
Yan, ginagawa kayo ng pakoy